It's important to run your bathroom exhaust fan whenever you are taking a bath or showering. It will help remove the water vapor in the bathrooms. With all the moisture in the bathroom, dust likes to stick to the fan. To clean it, simply take it down and wash it with dish soap and water or run it through the dishwasher. Your bathroom exhaust fan vents outside. It will either be located on the wall or in the soffit. You'll notice an animal screen on the vent to prevent small animals from getting in the duct. Your home may be equipped with a dehumidistat. It operates the main bath fan when humidity levels exceed the set point of the control. When bath fans run, they exhaust humid air out and draw in fresh, drier air through the makeup air duct in the basement. Set the dehumidistat at 30% during the months of November through March and in the off position from April through October.